Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. I'm a registered nurse and a yoga instructor. Today, I'm going to share with you a 5-minute yoga practice that we'll do seated in the chair to help you reduce stress and just release some anxiety in your body. The only thing you need other than the chair is maybe a yoga strap. If you do not have one of these, no problem. Maybe grab a towel or just something that's similar to this. I'm going to meet you back here and let's get started in our easy seat. I'll show you that. Let's go. So beginning in your sturdy chair, we're going to start in easy seat, or what we know in yoga as Sukhasana. Press the feet into the earth, soften the shoulders away from the ears, maybe find a gentle lift in the heart. Just check in with the body. Maybe you close down the shades of the eyes or soften the gaze. And come to this special moment that you've carved out for yourself in your practice. And just notice how you feel. Noticing places of tension. Maybe starting to breathe a little deeper into those spaces and starting to soften and let go. If your eyes were closed, please gently open them. We'll start with an angel breath, dropping the hands down by the sides. Take a big full breath in, sweep the arms high and up and overhead. Exhale, soften, release, and lower down. Do it 2 more times. Maybe this time you inhale, take a look up towards the hands if that feels okay, in the back of your neck. And exhale, soften, release, let that go. Last time, inhale, take the arms high to the sky, palms will kiss at the top, and then exhale, draw the hands to heart center, mindfully press the thumbs into sternum, drop chin to chest. A soft bow of gratitude for yourself and your practice. Shake that out, let it go. Go ahead and find some wrist circles. So circle out the wrist in one direction and the other, loosening things up. For 3, 2, and 1. Gently drop the chin towards the chest here. And drop one ear towards one shoulder. Chin to chest. Opposite ear towards opposite shoulder. One more time on each side. Chin to chest. Ear to shoulder. Chin to chest. Ear to shoulder. Nice job. Go ahead and come back to easy seat. Grab your strap or your towel. Maybe it's the tie off of a robe. If you're using a strap or whatever device you're using, make sure it's a comfortable distance for you. I like to kind of shorten my strap a little bit here. Take the arms out in front a comfortable distance, maybe about shoulder height. When you're ready, inhale, take the arms up and overhead. Mirroring breath with movement. Exhale, soften, drop it down. Of course, your range of motion here, not forcing the body. Inhale, rise up. Exhale to let that go. We'll try it one more time and add something on here. Inhale, take it up and overhead. Exhale, fold over to one side, either side. Back through center, inhale. Exhale, try it on the other side. Nice, come back through center. We'll slowly drop the hands down to the side. Nice. Next move, again, find that comfortable distance. Key here is you can absolutely bend the elbows. We're going to try a move so it's like you're taking your jacket on and off. So go in one direction, maybe about 4 times. So we're going to bring the hand up and overhead, bend the elbows, send it behind you. Have some fun. Don't overthink it. We love to get in our heads, but let's try to get out of the head and into the body here. Noticing the range of motion in the back body, the shoulders. See what it feels like here. Not a move we do often, right? But so important, so vital to keep these joints and this musculature nice and healthy. If you've done it 4 times, go ahead and try to reverse here. This is often the awkward way, right? Let yourself get a little awkward. It's all good. This is a judgment-free zone, safe space for yourself. Just explore, have fun, be curious. What's it feel like? Be a witness in your own body here. How about wherever you are, take it the other direction one more time. Nice job. And then let it go. Drop the strap to the earth and then take some shoulder rolls in one direction. Reverse those. Nice job. We'll draw one knee in towards the chest. Find a little squeeze here. Roll out the ankle. Notice your breath again. Are you holding your breath? Can you breathe a little deeper? Drop that foot down and take it to the other side. Roll out the ankle for me. One direction and the other. Nice job. And then send that foot to the earth. Find a little march here. Shake it all out. Maybe shake the wrists, shake the shoulders. Get a little funny. Have some fun. Let it all go. Come to stillness, easy seat. We'll take angel breath. Inhale, sweep your arms high. Exhale, drop the hands down, palms facing up on the lap. Close down the shades of the eyes and notice how you feel. You can rest here as long as you choose. If you're ready to go, maybe draw hands to heart center, thumbs to sternum, chin to chest. Take this moment to give thanks for this moment and thanks for this breath. Nicely done today. Thank you so much. It's an honor and pleasure to be your guide in this practice. I appreciate you for taking the time to slow things down. Activating through that parasympathetic nervous system, rest and digest. If you would like, please head to my website. I just wrote this awesome new guide. It's called The Ultimate Guide to Heart Healthy Living and Stress Management. As a nurse and yoga teacher, these are two areas that I think is so imperative that we learn and explore in our own bodies. And in this guide, I share all kinds of awesome tips and tools to get you started on your wellness journey. You can head to my website. It's emilydaugherty.com. Over there, we can connect a little deeper. I do have a lot of other free resources that you might be interested in. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, subscribe, all the YouTube things so that we can get the word out, spread the message. Let's get out of our heads into the body. And when you move better, you feel better. So key. So thank you so much for spending this time with me, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.